Are you fucking recording now? God damn it. Monsoon. I was trying to do it before, but apparently the fucking thing didn't damn well record. So now you'll even see the worst of it. Yeah, Spectrum, I wouldn't go too far if I were you. You're gonna be needed. Because more lines are gonna go down. You just had people recover their electricity not 24 hours ago. And we got this coming in. Another one. Now from the south. Last time it came from the east. The southeast. I just saw cloud to ground lightning. Right out there. I hope my clothes are done before then, because I gotta go to work at 4. Shit, I even got bird feathers flying out of fucking nests. It's ridiculous. Oh, that air is cold. I literally got, like, goose pimples on me. Oh my god. Look at that. I got goose pimples. It's cold. And yet I'm in shorts and a tank top. And it's supposed to be a monsoon, and I mean, I guarantee you, it was 94 degrees about an hour ago. I guarantee you what the temperature is now. Probably in the 70s with this wind. It's fuck-ass cold. Holy shit. This is going to be fun. It's going to be a great day at work. Totally a great day at work. There went more. Oh my lord. Right where you see the jeans. Ouch! Jeans, windshield supply. Repair. Windshield repair. That's the direction it's coming in from. Too much. This is just too much. Well, if you're in Yuma, Arizona, have a great time. It's about to rain again. Ooh.